What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Welcome to this new video on Ondo. It's been a while since I covered this. All right, I've personally known about this for a long time. I still remember when it was back at 11 cents, and I wanted to buy it. I never bought it. All right, or I never bought it. I did buy it recently, a couple of days ago or last week or so, but back then I did not buy it. All right, but I did participate in the launch pool, so I got some free tokens from there. Just in general, this is definitely a coin you need to know about, all right? It's been quite bullish as well in the last couple of days, so that's why I wanted to give you my thoughts on this. So let's get right into it. So to start off with this, and I think you should know this, I mean, hopefully it's not going to affect the way I look at Ondo and the way I analyze it, but I did buy, all right? I bought around 24 cents right here, so back then it was kind of at the top. But right now it's a decent entry, and just in general, I am bullish on Ondo. All right, fundamentally, I know that there's a lot of big analysts and traders in the price as well, which I tend to trust. All right, so that adds as a confluence. And then apart from that, the RWA narrative, the real world asset narrative, has yet to pop off, but it has popped off sometimes in the past. And which crypto, in my eyes, is the biggest crypto in that narrative? It's Ondo, all right. It has to do with RWA, not completely. I don't think it's the strongest RWA narrative candidate, but still, I think it has potential for that fact. It's traded a lot, can still get listed on Binance, which I do expect at some point of time with a volume like this. Usually, if the volume stays high like this, it will get listed on Binance at some point of time, especially because Ondo is a great project, all right. So I still foresee that. That's one of the reasons I'm fundamentally bullish on that. And I think that's enough. I mean, technically, you can also see with Ondo right now that the market structure is bullish. All right, you can see that the EMAs are below the price right here. They're pushing the price up. They're providing support. We're making higher lows in general, as you can see. We're making higher highs as well, but we had a bit of a spike right here on yesterday actually, yesterday night. And this kind of skews the way you look at it. But overall, this is bullish. Like our main support level around 24 and 25 cents is still holding. We haven't even hit that level, so we still have a lot of support under us as well. So yeah, I'm quite bullish on Ondo. If you look at the momentum, it's a little bit different. Here you can see the momentum. We should probably go to 1 hour time frame so that we have a little bit more of an overview on this. You can see that overall this is bullish, like, right? So the open interest is going up, we're gaining some momentum, but we have decreased quite a bit since this level right here at 30 cents. So even though I am bullish on Ondo, I think at this moment we're at a bit of a standstill. All right, we don't have the momentum we had. We have found some support here in the momentum, so I do expect bullish momentum from here. It depends a bit on Bitcoin, but I do expect Ondo to stay bullish at the very least. But what could happen, especially if Bitcoin gets some more bearish momentum here, what could happen is that Ondo gets a bit of a pullback, potentially even down to this level at 22 cents. But even if it does that, I would say that's the worst case scenario, and then we'll just consolidate here, break above 26 and 26.5 cents at some point of time again, and rally up to our main price target at this moment around 30 cents. And then after 30 cents, we can start talking about 35 cents, etc. But something like this, I would say, is the worst case scenario. Best case scenario, and what I also think is most likely at this moment, is that Ondo will just find support right here around 24 cents, consolidate a bit, because we don't have the momentum to rally right now, I would say. But then later on break out, get up to 30 cents, and then find resistance at 30 cents, but eventually break above that as well to rally up to 35 cents. I think that's most likely if you look at the market structure right now, if you look at the particular price structure for Ondo, and if you talk about the fundamentals. But obviously, I'm a little bit biased, all right? So keep that in mind, but hopefully I gave you enough numbers as to why I think this is most likely. So those are my thoughts. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.